If your brain was a wild animal, would you trust it to run your life? Because right now, without realizing it, your brain is running the show. It's feeding your fear when you need courage. It's keeping you comfortable when you should be growing. But what if I told you you could flip that? You could train your brain like a muscle, and in few minutes I will show you exactly how to take the driver's seat and stop being a passenger in your own mind. Most people think that their thoughts are who they are, but your thoughts they are just noise triggered by patterns, chemicals and habits. Learning to control your brain is not about become a robot, it's about reclaiming power. So let's break it down in three powerful shifts that anyone, yes, even you can start practicing today. First, understand the enemy. Here's truth that most people never hear. Your brain does not care about your dreams, it only care about your survival. This is your primitive brain. It's scanning for threats 24 by 7, not success, not confidence, just survival. That's why you procrastinate. That's why you avoid tough conversation. That's why you scroll endlessly. It's comfort, it's safety. The key is not to silence this part of your brain but to override it. For example, when you try to wake up early and your brain screams 5 more minutes, that's your primitive brain trying to keep you safe in bed. But you are not your brain, you are the observer, the commander, the pilot. So let's learn how to take the control. Second, rewire through repetition. Imagine this, your brain is a forest and your thoughts are paths. The more you walk one path, say, I am not good enough, the more defined it becomes. Soon it becomes the only road you take. But what if you could create a new path? One that says, I can figure this out. I take action even what it's hard. That's neuroplastically your brain physically changes based on you what you repeat. Here's how you can rewire. These are the three tips. First, replace the thought. Don't just say stop overthinking. Give it a new direction like let me focus on the next small step. Second, use a trigger. Attach it to something daily after brushing your teeth. Tell yourself today I control my thoughts, not the other way around. Third, reflect. And each day asking did I lead my mind today or follow it. This sounds simple, but over 30 days you are building new mental highways. Third, train like a mental athlete. Olympics athletes don't just train their bodies, they train their focus, their discipline, their mindset. Why don't we do the same? Here are the three tips using which you can do this. First, meditation. Even 5 minutes a day can teach your brain who's boss. You are not trying to have no thoughts, you are practicing not chasing them. Second, journaling. Write down recurring thoughts pattern will emerge when you see them on paper. You take away their power. Third, remove mental junk food. Just like your body gets tired from sugar, your brain gets tired from scrolling news or constant noise. Do a 1 hour digital detox each day. You will feel like a new person. Here's what I want you to try just for 7 days. Morning month. Today I lead my mind. One thought replacement every time doubt kicks in. 1 hour daily digital fast. That's it. 3 moves, 7 days total reset. Because the truth is, your brain can be trained. You just have to decide will you run it or let it run you.